So this is the electrical panel, I suppose you'd call it, the gubbins inside the guitar. I've already cleaned it out, so WD-40 fast drying contact cleaner. You just spray a little bit inside the potentiometers and wiggle the knobs about. Essentially what you're doing is moving the dirt to the ends of the wiper inside. It doesn't clean it out, but it does clean the wiper so you don't get the crackly noises. And so I have tested it and it works fine. Everything's connected properly. It's the vintage 50s Gibson style wiring, and seems to be working. So we'll put that back together, and I've also cleaned the switch as well. We'll put that all together and put the strings on. I have turned the bridge around the other way, and the reason I've done that is to me this seems to be the right way around for saddles to be. So the strings come up over the back and travel across the pickups, and it makes much more sense to me, and I may be wrong, but I would have thought that the sharp side should be on the at the edge, really, the sort of point at which the strings vibrating area begins. So if it was the other way around, you'd have a sort of a less sharp edge because it's got this ledge on it. So I think that this is the right way around. Anyway, that's the way I'm going to string it up. And I kind of roughed in the intonation, but I'm going to have to set it up again. So there we go. So let's get the strings on. Okay, so we've got the strings on, and everything's sort of working, the electrics are working. So what I've got to do now is the setup. So first thing I'm going to do is check the neck relief, then I'll do the string height adjustment at the bridge, then I'll do the intonation, and then finally I'll make some adjustments to the nut if they're required. So this is going to be sped up because it will take some time, so I'll just get on with that. Okay, so that's the setup done. So let's plug it in, see what it sounds like. Just grab a fletcher. Feels great. It feels really nice to play. Pickups sound okay. I might do some adjustment on the height of these pickups. But to be honest, I think they look pretty good. I don't think there's a lot to be done there really. I mean, that's a kind of customer preference type thing really. But yeah, this is done. So I'm pretty happy with it. It's a massive improvement on where we were when this guitar came into the workshop.